Nathimex Jsc, Nathimex Joint Stock Company, is a large manufacturing company in Ho Chi Minh City. Founded in 2005, Nathimex is a leading enterprise specializing in wood deck tiles manufacturing in Vietnam. With 18 years of establishment and growth, modern equipment, along with professional production management, and a skillful technical team. To satisfy the various needs of clients, Nathimex pledges to provide high-quality goods with guaranteed delivery and affordable prices. Wood deck tiles are constructed from real wood, acacia hybrid wood. All of the wood products are FSC certified. Nathimex provides a variety of wood deck tiles categories: 4 slats, 6 slats, 8 slats, 2 types of 10 slats, 12 slats. In addition to diversifying the client's choice, Nathimex also produces grass deck tiles. Nathimex Jsc guarantees that all manufacturing processes, materials, and certificates have been evaluated, licensed, and approved by departments and authorities. Nathimex has always worked to maximize both human and material resources, developing a name for itself and gaining consumers' trust via the products we offer. Our company's motto is cooperation for mutual success, and our guiding principles are continuous improvement. The closed manufacturing process, the specialization in each component, and the high responsibility with the serious and meticulous technical oversight to create the finished goods down to the smallest details are the strengths that set us apart. Wood deck tiles is an inventive and distinctive blend of natural wood products from Nathimex that provides user comfort and airy space to add luxury to your home. Nathimex's grass deck tiles are also a client's favored preference to make their home look fresh green and be in harmony with the environment.